Question number 28. Two vessels in which difference of surface level is maintained constant at 2.4 meter are connected by a 75 mm diameter pipe 15 meter long. So these two are vessels and they are connected by a pipe whose diameter is 75 mm and length is 15 meter, right? And we have to find out the volume flow rate Q through this pipe, right? So just apply general energy equation between these two point 1 and point 2, right? So point 1 and point 2 are at surface, so pressure will be atmospheric pressure, so this pressure will cancel out, right? Velocity, these two are reservoirs, so velocity here we can assume as constant 0, so here velocity will be 0. At this in this vessel we are also assuming velocity to be 0, right? So suppose I am assuming this as datum and this height is capital H, this as datum. If I am assuming this as datum, Z1 will be capital H and Z2 will be 0 since the point 2 is at the datum, plus head loss, right? Now H will be equal to HL. Now what are the losses? As fluid flows, first there will be entry loss. Here there will be entry loss. So what will be the value of entry loss? 0.5 V square by 2G. Then loss due to friction, right? So FL V square D into 2G. And then exit loss, right? So this will be the value of H. Since in the question it is written as H is equal to FL V square D into 2G. There it is 4 here. So if you put 4 here, this F will be coefficient of friction. If we are not putting 4 here, that means F is friction factor. So that is same thing, right? That means we are neglecting minor loss. Right? Now value of H is 2.4. What is friction factor? 0.008 is coefficient of friction. So multiply with 4 to get friction factor. So it will be 0.032. Length is how much? Length is 15 meter into V square by diameter. Diameter is into 2 into 9.81. So from here if you calculate the value of velocity, it will come out to be 2.712 meter per second. If velocity is this much, we can find out discharge. Discharge will be area multiplied by velocity. What is area? Pi by 4 d square into V. Pi by 4, what is diameter? 0.075 into velocity is 2.712. So discharge will come out to be 11.98 meter cube. It will be into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. So when you will convert it in terms of liters, Q will come out to be 11.98 liters per second.